Hello, friends. God bless you and welcome to our fancy fitness workout collab. And our host is Miss Tania from the Work From Home Wife of Atlanta. This is a close collaboration. I did 40. Friends, me and the other ladies with Miss Tania, we decided to get together and share with you some of our workout tips to help you along. And also, friends, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so that's why I have my pink shirt, and of course, I got a pink jump rope. So friends, after I did the jump roping, I am now doing my steps. I already did from this morning 4,000 plus, and you will see me get to 10,000 plus, and I'm going to take you on a little walk. And this is something I love to do because I walk a lot, and if I can't get out, I always do it in my home. Me and my husband are walking downtown. So, friends, it's just a small town we live in. So, sometimes we walk around the block or walk downtown. So, this helps me to get fit, keeping my legs motivated, keep motivating the whole body. And I love to just be outside. Sometimes just being outside would help you to motivate yourself to exercise. So, friends, as we age gracefully, if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. So, start to walk and do as much as you can. Friends, let me introduce you to our other co hosts. We have Miss Gwendolyn Ray Inspires, Deborah Kabasa Home Living, Organized by Darcy, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, Joyful Decor by Denise, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. Friends, please stop by their channel, including with our host, Miss Tania. Their links will be in my description box. I know they plan something amazing to help you with your workout. Thank you so much, ladies. This used to be a department store, but they turned it into a art center. And I just thought this was so cute. This beautiful Pete Adam. This is where they always decorate during downtown for whatever season, and that's Breast Cancer Month. And that here is a preschool for the children. Now, friends, I'm at my 10,033 steps, but I'm still not finished. I'm going to go back and forth a few times here, and I'll show you my finish. So I did 4 miles, and I did 10,702. Friends, I try to get 10,000 plus almost every day or at least 3 to 4 times a week, and it does help me to maintain my weight and to keep my joints, my legs loose so I can stay active and drink plenty of water. I love drinking water. Now, this is about an hour after I walk. I decided to go back outside again and do some more jump roping. Now, I'm still a beginner at this, so the most I've been getting straight is about 40, 41. 41. This is a whole nother day, and I have my exercise bike, so I decided to put it here so I can videotape. Now, I am doing this a whole different day, and I'm doing this before I go to work. So, this is my early morning exercise, and I'm telling you, I see a difference today because I actually did it early this morning before I came to work. I wanted to add some more exercise tips and motivation to this video. So if you can't get to the gym, guys, I am going to show you different ways that you can exercise in your home, even if you don't have equipment. Very easy. These are my weights, and they're only 10 pounds. And here I am going through this exercise and stretch my arms, keeping the arms in shape, the left and the right. And everything I'm showing you, you can get from the Five and Below store or even a thrift store. They do have weights sometime. I did 20 each arm, the left and the right. Now here I'm just freestyling. I didn't keep up with the count. I was just freestyling. Now here is a stretch rope I got from the Five Below store, and I'm putting inside the door. And I'm going to show you how to just exercise your arm just a little bit more. Now, I'm telling you, if you try this, do what you can. But telling you, I didn't do too much this morning. But if you do 50 or more I'm telling you, you can really feel the pull in your arms and in your upper shoulder. Now, if you got any health problems with your back, I may not suggest you do this. So, guys, please try these exercises at your own discretion. Friends, if you're new today, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and please leave a comment. And if you're coming from any of the ladies' channel, welcome. Thank you so much to all my faithful friends. I hope you jump in and exercise with us. Friends, and I found out from professional people, those who have really experienced this, that if you exercise before you eat and just fast, sometimes just a little bit in the morning, then eat, it'll help you to burn off more calories and make sure you're counting those carbs. Now, one thing I did forgot to tell you is that when you start working out, just take a little warm up exercise if needed. And when you stop, make sure you're doing small steps or smaller exercise to allow your body to cool down. This exercise, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is called the running man. I haven't done it in a while, but I love to do it from time to time. It's so many things you can do without going to the gym or going outside. But my favorite out of all, guys, is mostly walking. I love to walk. So I hope that this has blessed you on today. Please let me know if I have helped you. Thank you so much for joining us on today, and I appreciate you. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. God bless you from Penny. Bye-bye.